Today I'm going to show you how to use checkboxes to create a list like this. Adding a checkbox is really easy, and controlling the outcome of the checkbox, whether the checkbox is checked or not, is also very easy. Once you understand this one settings that I'm going to show you in a bit, make sure subscribe. Let's get to it. Over here you can see I have a table with sales each employee has made over a course of time. And in this particular column F, I'm going to insert some checkboxes to represent whether the sale target by each employee has been achieved or not. In order to insert the checkbox, you need to go to the developer tab, and here in the control group, in the insert control, you can see a checkbox. Click over it and simply drag it out, and it's done. If you don't see developer tab in your copy of the Office, then right click on the ribbon, go to customize the ribbon, and here in main tabs you can see developer tab. Just click on this checkbox next to developer tab and click OK, and it would appear right over here. Now just click over here, go to edit text, and the text that appears beside this checkbox can be modified or completely removed altogether. Let me remove it completely by pressing the delete key, and again let me right click to select it. Keep in mind you can select it only by clicking the right mouse button and drag this autofill handle down, and the checkboxes are added to each row. Now you can click on any one of these to make it checked or unchecked like this. For as little data as you can see right over here, the checkboxes are good to show whether the target has been achieved or not simply by clicking the checkbox. Now I want to use these checkboxes to see the status over here, whether the target has been achieved or not. So how would I do that? Let's right click again, go to format control, and over here you can see we have cell link. Click into it, and let me click in this particular cell. You can see the dollar signs beside G and 2 showing that they have absolute value. Click on OK, and now if you click on this checkbox, true would appear over here. Let me copy down the column, and that's there. Unchecked, false. You would be hoping that clicking on rest of these cells would show us false over here as well, but it is not appearing. The reason behind this is that the value over here in this particular cell is absolute value. Now this is one of the downside of the Excel to using checkboxes like this. And in order to apply the same formatting as we have done in this particular case, right click, again go to format control, and again you will have to click over it and click OK, and now you can see if you click it would show true, and if you uncheck it, it would show false. Now this is one of the downside of the Microsoft Excel that doesn't copy the formatting as we have copied the checkboxes right in this particular column. So give me a minute so that I could do formatting in rest of the cells. So I'm done with the formatting. Now if you click anywhere, it would turn true, and if it remains unchecked, it would show false. You can also use conditional formatting so that you could have a visual cue whether the target has been achieved or not. Let me show you how would you do that. Let me select this column, go to Home tab, and in the conditional formatting, you can go to highlight cell rules, and in the text that contains group, you can write over here false, and over here you can give it a particular color. Let me click on this red text, or you can use light red with dark red text like this. Click on OK, and there you can see it visually give us a clue whether the target has been achieved or not. And one more thing that I would like to show you is you can use if functions in conjunction with the checkboxes to show a certain text. Let me show you. I'm gonna write is equal if, and the logical text is, let me click on, if this one is equal to false, then double quotes, and over here I'm writing not achieved. Over here I'm writing target not achieved. Again double quotes, again comma, and if it is false, then show achieved. Double quotes, enter, and there you are. If I'm going to uncheck it, it would show not achieved. You can see. And this time just hold this little green square and copy it down to the rest of the cells. And there you are. If you click on checking the boxes, the text would appear over here like this. In this way, you can show a particular text about the status or a target, whether it has been achieved or not. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.